In this video, I will show you how you can activate Onic eSIM. For this purpose, I will going to use my iPhone. For the Android, the process will be different. So first of all, open up the QR code that you have received from Onic Mobile. You will going to receive this QR code once you have done the biometric verification. Make sure to save it and then you need to head over to your mobile services. This is where you need to simply click on Add eSIM. Now once you click on Add eSIM, this is going to give you two options. So simply select Use QR code. Then you just need to point your camera to the QR code. This might take few seconds, so make sure to be patient with it. After scanning, as you can see, your new eSIM from your phone is ready to activate. So after clicking on continue, this is going to take few seconds. This is the most crucial part, so make sure that you have a good internet connection. Otherwise, you might lost your eSIM. When it starts showing you connecting to network on the bottom, that means our eSIM has successfully installed on our device. Next step will going to be choosing our custom plan labels. That means I can rename my eSIM. As you can see, label for your Uphone plan. I will click on business and by default it is going to select business, but I will going to choose Onic eSIM as my custom label. Then click on done on the top left of your screen. Then tap on continue on the bottom of your screen. Next up is default line. That means from which SIM you want to make calls. I will go with Zong. Same goes for the iMessages and FaceTime. As for the mobile data, I will choose Zong for now. I can change it later as well. Once you are done, let's open up the Onic app, and this is where you can see how much data, calls, SMS you have left on your Onic eSIM. Now let's head over to the speed test and let's switch the data to the Onic eSIM, and then let's tap on the go button, allow the location, and let's see how much speed it is going to give us. And on my testing, it has given me around 20 to 25 on average, but when I was downloading from Steam on my computer, it has given me even 30 to 35 Mbps, which is really good as I live in a rural areas. So yeah, this was the process of how you can activate Onic eSIM on your device.